scheduled quite some time ago, 2404729. Are they here? Come on up. Is what's your name, ma'am?
Tiffany Fatu.
Where's Alan Marchina?
He is on Zoom.
Your name?
Honor Alan Marchena.
So this is a complaint to recover possession. Were the two of you were living together?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Did he submit a notice to quit more than 30 days ago? Like back in November or October?
No, I never received the actual paper. He sent me a picture of the court copy.
Hang on.
In a text
Do we
message.
have a notice to quit?
Yes, it says that it was personally given on October 16th of 24.
Okay. All right. So why don't you have, first of all, did you listen to and understand all the rights?
Yes, I did.
And do you wish to speak to a lawyer?
Yes, I do.
This one's pretty clear, I think. I'm just telling you.
It's actually a domestic violence situation where I ended up leaving because he assaulted me, and I haven't had time to get into a place, and I have multiple bills that are outstanding that.
Slow down a second. Are you still living there?
I am not, but my stuff is there. I've slowly been trying to get in. Well, I've been trying to get into a place, but you have to have a 650 credit score or higher, and every place charges a $50
Slow down.
fee.
I want to just know the answer to this question. Are you still residing there?
My address is still there. I have been staying elsewhere because I don't want to have a reoccurrence of what happened.
Okay. So he's asking you to leave the property,
Mhm.
right?
Yes.
That's what he wants, and sounds like that's what you want. Am I right or
I
wrong?
asked him to give me that I would keep the DTE in my name if he let me keep my stuff there until I could get into a place. And that was the agreement. And then I just found out on Wednesday that he filed for the court date. And I told him, I said, you never gave me the paper.
Where are you living now, ma'am?
His parents' house across the street.
Does he have a domestic violence charge pending? Yes?
Yes.
Where's that at? In this court?
No, it's actually through the Michigan State Police Department.
What court is that in?
I'm not sure. With his stepdad being the chief of police of Brownstown, it was a conflict of interest. So he referred it over to the Michigan State Police Department.
I don't see anything here that would indicate that there's a case pending.
Your Honor.
Now,
I am-
yes, what?
There's no case pending.
Yeah, it would be in our system just because the state police are investigating rather than Brownstown. They would still have to bring the case here. And there's no case pending here. So in other words, if the offense happened, well, that might be that you have turned it over to the state police. I'm just telling you, or they have. It makes sense. The Brownstown police are not going to investigate it if there's a conflict like that. So the state police are investigating it. If the state police were following through with a complaint through the prosecutor's office, and I don't know if they have or not.
He informed me that.
I'm just telling you, it would be, if it was filed, it would be filed in this court. All right, let's back it up here a second. So you're living with his parents across the street? Is that what you said?
Because I have no place to go and I was living out of my car. So they're allowing me and my two boys to stay there so I don't have to be in my car.
All right. And he owns the property on his own. Is that true?
Yeah, through a land contract.
All right, let me think for a second here. Technically, you're still in possession of the property, whether you're going in there or not, if you have belongings in there. I want to be clear about that. Here's what I'm going to do.
Your Honor,
Yes.
she's also been coming to the house. She actually did a lawn job to the house a couple days ago. We
No, I
have
didn't.
video.
I
She's
never did.
coming. She keeps coming across the street is the reason that I've been asking for separation. She'll come over and harass me and then run back across the street. So that's why I'm looking to move forward. You know what I mean, with the proceeding for it.
I go over there when he's not there to try to pack up my stuff. And then if I'm there and he finds out, he comes home and starts an argument and I end up recording it. And then it gets to the point where he gets.
Okay, so let me be clear about a couple things here. If somebody came over and you have evidence that that person intentionally damaged your lawn,
yep,
you can make a police report. But I want to be clear, unless some judge has ordered her not to go back to that property, she has the right to go back to that property. Do you fully and completely understand that?
No, I understand that. That's why we're here today.
Hang on. I just want to make sure you completely understand that. Do you completely understand that?
Yeah, that's why we're here today to move forward with it.
So you don't get to be judge and jury, in other words. In other words, no judge has ordered her out of that property. So if she walked over there and entered into that property right now, you have no recourse. You can't lay a hand on her because that's illegal. And she has the right to be there. Do you understand that? I want to make sure you are 100%.
Your Honor, I understand.
Listen, I'm not done talking yet. Maybe I'm not talking fast enough. But I want to make sure you're 100% understanding of that particular premise. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand. And we're going by allegations of right now.
There's no allegations. There's no allegations that I know of that pertain to this. And my function right now is only to determine whether or not she has to vacate the property. She says she made a domestic violence complaint. It's not on there. You say she committed the offense of malicious destruction of property. I don't see a charge on here either. Did you file a police report?
Yes, I did with Brownstown.
Can you double check and make sure that? Did you witness this?
No, I caught it. They got it on the camera system across the street.
Go check her out, Tiffany Fetty. Okay, I don't have anything on here indicating that she's been charged with anything.
Not charged. They did a report on it. And they said,
all right, well. So we have two allegations of criminal conduct, neither of which have appeared in our system yet, meaning that there's been no charge. Look, I'm adjourning this so she can talk to a lawyer. I don't want anything going on over there. In other words, I don't want you two over there fighting. I don't want you acting like you're king of the castle, Mr. Marchina. You might own the property, but she's been there and she has the right to go through the eviction process. Do we understand one another?
yeah, sir.
And I don't want you to go out of your way to harangue or harass him. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. That's why I've only been going over there when he's not home, so I could try to pack up her stuff.
I don't know why you're just not letting her go over there and pack up, and maybe you two can be mature enough. There's no order. There's no PPO anybody has, right?
I'm in the middle of filling that out with First Step.
All right, well, whatever. The point is, as of this second, there's no PPO. Is that true?
Yes.
Is that true?
Yeah.
There's been no judge anywhere in the country that's told either one of you cannot have contact with the other, right?
That's correct, Your
Is
Honor.
that true? Is that true?
Oh, you're right, Your Honor.
I can't hear you.
Yes, Your Honor, you're right.
How old are you, Mr. Martina?
37.
How old are you?
I'm 34.
Maybe you two can be mature enough to have a phone conversation at least, where she can go back in there and pack her things up and then get it out of there and everybody's going to be happy.
I have no problem with that, Your Honor.
Well, did you not complain before about her going in when you're not there, or am I dreaming?
No, she has came in and take, but it's fine for her to come in and get her stuff. She can set a date that she would like and she can come and get it.
Set a date.
What do you mean set a date?
Well,
Are you
just
going to be
let
there
me know when
today?
she's gonna come so I don't have to be here.
Well, then you two can talk and act mature. You're not 9 anymore. We're adjourning this. And I'm sorry to have kept you both waiting. This somehow got buried. Adjourned to January 6th at 1 p.m. You two can talk. You wanted to talk to a lawyer. I'm going to set you up with a lawyer. You're going to go into a computer room. Tell John to set her up. And you're going to speak with the caseworker at Lakeshore, and they're going to tell you how to get a hold of your lawyer. Okay?
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Merry Christmas to both of you. I don't want any shenanigans going on over there, folks. I mean it. You won't want to see me again if you do, and I mean that sincerely. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.